Evolution of ICT. The beginning of ICT can be traced back when humans started to use objects to communicate with one another. It is certain that ICT began along with the rise of humans.
So there are four main periods of the eras divided of ICT. These are namely the pre-mechanical, mechanical, the electromechanical, and the electronic period. But the today's society that greatly affects is the electromechanical and the electronic period. Nevertheless, there is still a need to observe and learn from the previous periods to appreciate the technologies enjoyed by today.
Periods of ICT development. The first era was the pre-mechanical period. The pre-mechanical period can be traced back thousands of years ago, around 3000 BCE to 1450 CE. During this time, humans started communicating with one another using words and pictograms carved in rocks.
Humans continue to write information that can be organized in some manner and keep as permanent record. They eventually compiled these records written on pieces of paper and bound them together, eventually giving birth to books.
As these books grow in certain areas, hence libraries were created. Libraries were considered the first data century of history.
Second era is the mechanical period.
This period served as the bridge between our current period and the pre-mechanical period. This started around 1450 and 1840.
The highlight of this period is the advent of the mechanical calculator called the Pascaline, which was invented by the famous mathematician inventor Blaise Pascal, along with Wilhelm Sicart.
Third era is the electromechanical period.
The electromechanical period ushered in a new age in communications and information. This period started around 1840 to 1940. In this period, the use of electricity for information handling and transfer grew.
The telephone was later invented, enabling voice transmission over long distances. Likewise, humans started to control electricity using vacuum tubes and devices that eventually led to the development of today's electronic gadgets.
First invented in 1837 by William Cooke and Sir Charles Wheatstone. The first working model used 5 magnetic needles that could be pointed around sets of letters and numbers by using electric current.
In 1844, an American inventor named Samuel Morse successfully introduced the first single-circuit telegraph, which gave rise to the Morse code.
In 1876, Alexander Graham Bell was granted the patent for the telephone.
The fourth era is the electronic period.
The last period in the ICT history is the electronic period. It started in 1940s and continues to the present. The highlights of this period is focused on the advent of the solid-state devices or the electronic devices.
The four main events of the period are the late vacuum tube period, the transistor period, the integrated circuit period, and the computer processor period.
The dawn of the electronic numerical integrator and computer, or ENIAC, the first electronic and general-purpose computer, marked a revolutionary period in computing. ENIAC was a big machine that occupied an area of 167 square meters. Aside,
The transistor is the foundation of every electronic device today.
An American electrical engineer named Chuck Kilby was credited for introducing the integrated circuit IC in 1958. It is a device that is composed of a group of transistors and circuit elements compressed in a single package.
For decades, scientists and engineers developed methods of connectivity for sharing process and information stored in computers and processing devices. The result of this is the interconnection of computer devices and equipment we enjoy today.
The ICT today, the fusion of hardware equipment, precise software, GUI, and effective communications network is the present compositions of the ICT network. Furthermore, internet applications and even internet browsers work as tools for communication and transmission of information from one point to another.